these armed soldiers or assassins when you have an assassin spider, right? Just like that movie Runaway, where all those computers go out of control. This is gonna go out of control. Skynet's gonna go in there, possess these guys, and one day we're gonna wake up with all the toy spiders. They're gonna rule us. It's not our friend.
Didn't Skynet get destroyed already?
Yeah, kind of, but it's that whole space-time community stuff. You can't really get rid of it. Too many dang people with DeLoreans, you know what I'm saying? That's the problem. You gotta recall those dang things and remove their flux capacitors. Say what?
I said the DeLorean was discontinued in 86.
Yeah, but they still use them. People still get them. They got lousy crash ratings that have a puny 6-cylinder in them. But if you put a Porsche 8-cylinder like in a 928, they go fast. They can go 88 miles an hour. They can do it. And I love the shirts, by the way. Yeah. So beware of these guys. They're taking over soon. Oh goodness. You're still down?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Did you ever get back up?
We did, but then we went back down again. I know.
It's those dang spiders again taking over.
We're back up again.
Oh, we're up.
Oh, we're up
Okay,
again?
we're actually up now.
Woo, Ryan, yes! All right. The way to the monsters, robot spiders. Here we are. Here we go.
Come on in.
All right.
Right through the door on your right hand side, all the way in from me, my friend.
Coolness. Happy bikes.
Come on in, I'll be prepped for your test drive on the Slinger. And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker. And here at Web, we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff we have to impart from Star Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because?
This is awesome. But you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm a little bit sure. If you could just initiate the safety protocols and greatly.
Problem with that, Peter?
If you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call someone else, ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Here. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first of all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. What should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid? This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is of exponential danger. We might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Karen, grab the slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move through the doors and down the hall to the slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers campus.
You know that guy that I was talking about, Skynet and the robots? I warned him! I sure did. Look at them. They're all going in these vents now. Oh boy. Not the Christmas toy to be given. No, no. So number one right here. And remember, matching uniforms. More terrifying for an evil organization. Everybody looks the same. It scares people.
fancy web vision targeting glasses on. They make everyone look cool.
Like, see, pull down the lap bar. Pull down the lap bar all the way down.
The big old lap bar.
Push up, Mama, push up.
There, we're good. Let's see if this actually works. So I'm not shooting. I'm just gonna cover you guys, you know, because
Okay.
yeah, I want to get this on film, and that may be more challenging than it looks. Okay, let me scratch my head. There we go. And let me take off my, roll down my glasses like this. Okay, this is gonna be tough. I gotta hold this and this together the whole time.
Attention web slingers, please remain seated and get ready to web up more spider bots.
Yeah, a lot harder.
Profile, web shooters calibrated. You there, Spider-Man?
I'm here. Where are you?
On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the impending disaster.
Exponential danger.
I thought you agreed.
Get ready to sling webs.
Little help here. I'm glad to see you guys.
Start swinging. Just extend your arm.
I'll do the exit. That's your number.
Nice try. But Spider-Bot switching containment in 3, 2, 1.
We're heading into the tunnels. We gotta catch him.
Elevating threat level to out of control. Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem.
Oh, just a bit to make rough here.
Yeah, we got him. Right?
We did, but I'm detecting unstable bots ahead.
Broken containment again. Right?
Sorry. Elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Start swinging. Take the yellow power cells off their struts. Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1. Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever. Also, the giant bot survived. But those chain reactions did prove.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
I got an idea. We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked! You guys were amazing!
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, we couldn't have done it without them.
That was also your idea.
course, I didn't contribute at all. So these guys, see, I'm the deadbeat. See, I'm a deadbeat.
For your safety,
Complete deadbeat. See that? That's me, the deadbeat. But I did film it. That was good. It counts for something. Hi there, neighbors.
Thanks for attending our open house presentation and preventing the destruction of the world as we know it. Please collect your wits and any personal belongings as you exit the vehicle. See you later.
I'm telling you, everybody, same shirts, and James Bond will never touch you as an evil organization. They'll never do it. See, this is just not organized enough. You have to have the same outfits, or you're not terrifying looking enough. All right. I got to teach every evil organization how to do things right. Well, let's see how that turned. Whoops, sorry. Let's see how that turned out. So now we have to come up with another evil plan than taking over a bunch of robots. My evil plan failed. He's gonna take over all those robots and take over Disney and put you all in good shape because we love your cast members. We do. I'm gonna go back to my mentor, Dr. Evil, in his secret volcano lair and come up with another plan. Don't you go change it. Oh yes, well good luck to me too, yes. So I asked it, what is it between us and our two worlds? And he said, human beings are a disease. They're the only creatures on earth that believe they have a God and act like they don't have one. And right now I get that connection between kids picking through garbage and banks with brass plates on their front doors.